What's up, everyone? You ready to completely transform your life in just 1 month? Seriously, yeah. I'm talking about a full-on mental upgrade. Get waiting for the new year or your birthday. The best time to start is right now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a 4-week power plan to reprogram your mindset, ditch those limiting beliefs, and unlock a level of success and happiness you've only dreamed of. Stick around, because this is the globe your brain has been begging for. Okay, week 1 is all about awareness. You can't fix what you don't know is broken, right? So, this week, your mission is to become a detective of your own thoughts. Grab a notebook or use your phone and start catching those negative thoughts as they pop up. Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, I'll never be able to do that, or what if I fail? Just write them down. No judgment. The goal here isn't to fight them, it's simply to see them. You'll be shocked at how often these sneaky thoughts sabotage you without you even realizing it. By the end of the week, you'll have a clear picture of the mental junk you need to clear out. This is the foundation for everything else. Welcome to week 2, the reframe. Now that you've identified your negative thought patterns, it's time to challenge them. This week, we're flipping the script. Take each negative thought you wrote down and actively find a more positive, empowering alternative. So, I'm not good enough becomes I am capable and I'm learning every day. I'll never be able to do that turns into this is a challenge and I'm going to figure out the first step. This isn't about lying to yourself. It's about shifting your perspective. It's about finding the evidence that supports your potential, not your limitations. Every time a negative thought pops up, immediately counter it with your new reframed thought. It's like a mental push-up. It might feel weird at first, but you're literally building new neural pathways in your brain. All right, week 3 is where we get into action. This is the walk the talk week. All this mindset work is useless if it doesn't translate into real-world change. This week, you need to intentionally do things that prove your old mindset wrong, feeling anxious about speaking up in class or meetings. Make it a point to share one idea. Think you're not disciplined enough to work out? Start with a 10-minute walk every single day. The key is to take small, consistent actions that align with your new, positive beliefs. Each action you take is a vote for the new you. It sends a powerful message to your brain that says, hey, I'm not just thinking differently, I'm being different. This is how you build unstoppable confidence and momentum. Finally, week 4, reinforcement and gratitude. You've done the hard work, and now it's time to make it stick. This week is all about cementing your new mindset. The most powerful way to do this is through daily gratitude. Every single day, I want you to write down or just think about 3 things you're genuinely grateful for. It could be anything: the sun shining, a good conversation with a friend, or the progress you've made this month. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the positive, attracting more good things into your life. Also, continue to practice the techniques from the first 3 weeks. Keep catching negative thoughts, reframing them, and taking aligned action. This isn't a one-and-done fix. It's a new way of living. So there you have it, your 4-week power plan to reprogram your mind. Awareness, reframing, action, and reinforcement. It sounds simple, but I promise you, if you commit to this process for the next 30 days, the person you are at the end will be stronger, more confident, and more in control of your destiny than ever before. But you have the power to change your mind, and when you change your mind, you change your entire life. What are you waiting for? Start week 1 today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you level up your life. Let me know in the comments which week you're most excited to start.